The ruins of the ancient city of Axum are found close to Ethiopia's northern border. They mark the location of the heart of ancient Ethiopia, when the kingdom of Axum was the most powerful state, between the Eastern Roman Empire and Persia. Dating from between the 1st and the 13th century AD, the massive ruins include monolithic obelisks, giant stelae, royal tombs, and the ruins of ancient castles. The largest standing obelisk rises to a height of over 23 meters, and is exquisitely carved to represent a 9-story building of the Axumites. It stands at the entrance of the main stele area. The largest obelisk of some 33 meters long lies where it fell, perhaps during the process of erection. It is possibly the largest monolithic stele that ancient human beings ever attempted to erect.
The introduction of Christianity in the 4th century AD resulted in the building of churches, such as St. Mary of Zion. Rebuilt in the Gondorian period in the 17th century AD, it is believed to hold the Ark of the Covenant.